guys. It's been a long time. I have a vlog filmed. I don't know if I posted it already. I hope you guys are doing well during quarantine. Welcome back to Bondbeautyful's life. I wanted to do a quick little video for you guys because I was thinking the other day as I was changing my daughter's diaper. She had white pants on and she pooped all over her pants. She didn't poop in her diaper, she pooped in her pants. Oh, no. So basically, babies, when they're babies and they're 2 months old, they have yellow poop that stains clothes. And I don't know about you, but after my kids, like after my daughter is out of those size of clothes, I'm going to resell them on Facebook so I can get a little bit of money back, so I can buy her little toys or anything else that she may need, little bows, anything cute that I would like to get, and at least I get some use out of them. Because if you don't know, babies, they grow really quickly in the first year. So it's literally, they have newborn clothes for a month, then it's 0 to 3 months clothes for maybe 2 months, and then it's 3 months clothes for a month, and then it's 3 to 6 months clothes for the next 2 months. So every month they're like growing so quickly that they honestly don't get a lot of use out of their clothes. So their clothes are practically still new. Each of her clothes she's only worn maybe a couple of times, especially because I had a baby shower with her, so I have a lot of clothes for her. So that's why I like to resell the clothes on Facebook. And to do that, I have to have stainless clothes. And sometimes babies have accidents and they get poop all over their clothes. So I'm gonna show you guys a little trick that took me 5 babies to figure out. Maybe you're smarter than me and you figured it out sooner. But I'm gonna show you today how to get poop stains out of your baby's clothes. How to get your clothes looking like new. How to get those yellow stains out of your clothes so that the clothes still look brand new, so no one can tell that your baby had leakage, which all babies do. There's not a single baby that hasn't leaked out of their clothes, out of their diaper onto their clothes. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, how to take care of the clothes, and it's so quick and easy, you guys, and so cheap too. The little bar soap I'm using is so cheap. So I'm going to show you guys this video really quickly. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video. There's more mommy videos and vlogs and just random life videos here on my channel. So you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell. It really helps me out, and it tells me that you like these type of videos, these helpful tip videos from one mommy to another, or from one mommy to a daddy, whichever one you are, or a grandparent, or an aunt, or a babysitter, or a nanny, whatever you are. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so for this, all you need is this Zote soap. You can find it in the laundry aisle at Walmart. It's only $1. I'm using the white one because I really like it, but you can use either one and it works amazing. So here we have this ugly yellow stain and it's on some white pants. Ew. That I'm going to show you on these like tealish colored clothes, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. So you put on the water and you want it to be warm, and then you have your white bar of soap here, and basically you're just going to get the stain wet, and then you're just going to start scrubbing and putting a good amount of soap on there on both sides, and then you're just going to scrub it together and rinse with warm water and repeat. And all these clothes I'm going to show you today basically have been sitting in my bathroom for like a week, so it doesn't have to be a fresh stain, but it definitely comes out in like a couple seconds if it's a fresh stain. But if you just leave it, it will still come out. I mean, look at this. Look how white those pants look. And then sometimes I put a little bit of extra soap and then run it through the washer with some soap on there, which you can definitely do to just make sure that the stain is absolutely gone. This is the easiest thing ever. And I do the same thing with all of the clothes that have stains. So for example, this one that has colors on it, you can still use the soap, or you can use the pink soap, whichever one you want. They both work the same, and scrub it out. And like I told you before, I turn it inside out and I put it on both sides and I really scrub it
down. And then I rinse it. And warm water definitely helps a lot better than cold water. Voila! It's clean. So even for any other stains that you guys have, so this is my husband's Nike shirt and he got some sort of a stain on it. It looks like, I'm not sure what that is. Looks like pencil or something, I don't know. But this will even work on just pretty much every stain on any kind of clothing, whether it's white clothing or colored clothing. And it's clean. Something else that I have trouble with as well is on her blankets, her muslin blankets. So this still works on muslin material as well, and it comes out even faster on that material.
I hope these tips were helpful and that you found them helpful. Let me know if you tried it, if you love it, if it works. It's literally worked even on her white pants. That's why I kept those dirty white pants for weeks, just so I could show you that it works. I mean, it works on blankets, on shirts, on socks, on burp rags, basically on everything. And it's so quick and easy and just, it's an amazing tip. So I hope you enjoyed it, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Yep, subscribe and like the video. And I guess I'll just see you next time. Bye.